Asa naman?
Happy birthday, Janet. We wish you health and happiness. You are away from us, but you are always in our hearts.
We love you.
We love you.
From happy birthday, Mang Janet. Alam ko nadagdagan ka na naman ng isang year, pero hindi yan ang importante, but your good health. Sana lagi kang malusog manang, yung inalagaan mo sarili mo at tinitake mo yung Fernsy na iniwan ko dyan na padala ni Joyce noon. Pag maubos, magsabi ka lang. We're praying for your happiness, good health, at saka spiritual fulfillment. At sana lagi kang malakas. At syempre, masaya kahit paano kasama mo yung pamilya mo. At last year, nag-celebrate tayo ng birthday mo na sabay kayo ni Alex. Sana maulit-uli yun para magkakasama yung mga bata, para masayang-masaya ang birthday mo at alam ko magluluto ka na naman na masasarap. At si Christine, magagawa ng card especially for you. And si Lander will sing to you a birthday song.
Kami din kakanta.
Kami rin ay kakanta ng happy birthday for you. And so with Neil Jan, alam ko maalala ka man naman kanya.
Ito, dito ka. Yan. Sama mo ako. Yan, Mang Janet!
Mang Janet!
Happy birthday,
Mang
Mang
Janet!
Janet! Ito kanta namin.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Janet. Happy birthday, Janet. We love you, Mang Janet.
Love you, Manang.
Manang, we love you. Stay happy and healthy, Manang.